Welcome you guys to an all-new episode of Sounds of Sir Q. I am so happy to be back with you guys, and boy, let me tell you, there is so much we have to talk about, so much we have to discuss. The reason why I am extremely excited, as I'm pretty sure the rest of you guys are, is because my girl, Phaedra Parks, is coming back to the franchise. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, when I found this news out, when my sources came to me and brought this information to me, I was completely and utterly in awe. I was like, oh my God. Now, our prayers have been answered. I mean, look, that was some tea that, look, yet again, my solo, that was some tea I did not mind sipping on whatsoever. Like, for real, for real. Because I feel like, you know, when you think about Kenya, you think about the queen of the Shade Assassins. And Phaedra, too, is another queen of the Shade Assassin. And, you know, to have one exit, you are like kind of on the edge of your seat wondering, okay, like, how is somebody going to bring it the same way Kenya brought it? And the only solution was Phaedra Parks. So I'm elated to, you know, hear that, you know, she is coming back. And, you know, I feel like she was welcomed with open arms. And, I mean, look, her social media page, I'm pretty sure, was blowing up. She even had a post on her page, and it basically stated, "You called, I answered." Look, that's all. Look, let that be the tagline for her season 16. Okay, you called, and I look. Better yet, let's do it. Let's say it like Phaedra, how Phaedra would say it. You called, honey, and I answered. That's Phaedra Parks for you, man. That's her all the way. And I am truly positive that she is going to bring exactly what needs to be brought back to the franchise. For more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.